There are the same legendary Klaria, Swiss pigments, now in pastel tones. Whether you are a pro or just getting started, these pigments are perfect for anyone who wants soft, clean, long-lasting colors. We have 6 different pigment collections for soap. Each has its own palette and purpose. In this video I show you our gentle one, Pastel. What the difference between dye and pigment? In short, dye bleeding over the time when one color mixes with another one. Pigment, non-bleeding. The color stay sharp. If you are making layered soap, details or sharp edges, use pigment. Pastel pigments can mix together. But the technique matters. If you overheat the soap base, the color will fade. If you pour a second layer before the first one sets, the color will blend. Follow the steps and everything will be great. Why not use colorants? They are easier, they are cheaper, they work for soap base single soap color. But if you want creative freedom and pro result, go with pigments. Our pigments made for melt and pour soap, glycerin soap, made in Europe, priced well. Choosing a color isn't always easy, especially when you started out. We have a huge selection of pigments and dyes, and it can be hard to choose. Here is my advice. Start with the basic, primary colors. Red, blue, yellow, green, black, white. You can't go wrong. Want something unique? Go for more interesting shades. These series might not have all you need. Check the Klaria line. We talk about it in my previous video. Same price and the primer included. Also check the color on different screens. That matters. You want the color you ordered, but screens show colors differently. So compare your phone, computer, tablet. And turn off the night mode if it's on. Palette of 12 pastel colors. Includes exclusive shades like caramel, peach silk, peach pink and cream cheese. What the difference between mist and graphite? Mist is light gray, graphite is dark gray. Even with this palette you can make anything – animals, deserts, flowers and more. Pastel pigments are water-based, they don't bleed in, cosmetic grade, liquid, no need to dilute. Made special for melt and pour soap. You can also use them in shampoo or other rinse-off product. They are super efficient, just few drops per soap, depending on you need. And no bad smells, they are pleasant to work with. They don't freeze, stable in winter and summer, whether you are in Lisbon or Wyoming. Important, for melt and pour soap only, not for cold process, not for soap from scratch. For that, check our Oxidesa series, I'll talk about it in another video. Ingredients: pigment, water, glycerin. No harsh chemicals. Sediment or separation in the bottle is normal. That won't happen in soap. Shake well before use. I know what you are thinking. Won't water-based pigments ruin the soap? You are not supposed to add water to the base. It could cause mold, right? Don't worry. Our pigments don't cause mold. We have tested them in different conditions over a long time. In pure form and in soap in all concentrations. Everything will be fine. If you are selling soap, customers expect quality. Don't risk your reputation with cheap colorants from unknown brands. Your customers expect top quality. Need a reliable supplier? We've been doing this for over 13 years. We are real people with reputation, not a bot that replies in a week. If you want dependable, clear quality service, message us. Let's talk directly. You get consistent quality, fast replies, usually within 2 hours, worldwide shipping, MSDS and samples, so you can test the quality yourself. Special business pricing, lower than on a website. Any quantity, 10 grams, 10 kilos, even a pallet, to save on shipping. Where to buy? On our website arisa.fun or from our partners on Etsy. Search Slovakia colors or pigments name 200 pastel or just email me tutifarba@gmail.com. We also offer silicone molds, pigment for candles, plaster, gismonite, A1 and sandwax, candela sand, colorants for bath bombs and much more. Next video we'll talk about our neon light, Neolight. Tag us on social media, Instagram, TikTok. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Next video coming soon. Be bright.